Need to scan a document but don't have a scanner anywhere near you? No problem at all. I'm going to show you how to scan anything into a PDF in just seconds using nothing but your phone or laptop. Traditional scanning is slow, and honestly, who even owns a scanner these days? Most of us don't have one sitting around at home anymore, and going to a print shop just to scan a single page feels like way too much effort for something so small. But with an online tool, you don't need a scanner at all, and you can get the exact same result straight from your pocket. You can convert photos into a PDF instantly straight from your camera roll without any extra equipment. You can use your phone or laptop. There's no scanner device required anywhere in the process, which means this works no matter where you are. You get your document saved in a clean, professional PDF format instead of just a random photo sitting in your gallery. You can share that PDF easily through email or WhatsApp without it looking unprofessional or out of place next to other documents. And overall, you reduce paper handling and move toward a fully digital workflow, which genuinely saves you time the more you use it. It's quick, it's simple, and it's honestly one of the most convenient little tricks you can learn for everyday document handling, whether that's for school, work, or just keeping your own paperwork organized. For this, we're going to use a free tool called VelaPDF. No installation required, you just open it in your browser and you're ready to start scanning right away.
Step-by-step demo. Let's walk through it together step by step so you can try this on your own document as we go. Step 1. Open the tool. Go to the VelaPDF website and select Scan to PDF from the Tools menu. It's listed right alongside the other tools, so it's easy to find even if you've never used the site before. Step 2. Upload an image or capture one directly on the spot. You can upload a photo of your document straight from your device, or if you're on your phone, you can just click a picture right there in the moment without needing to save it first. Step 3. Adjust your settings before finalizing anything. You can crop the image down to just the document itself, removing any background clutter around the edges. Step 4. Convert to PDF. Once everything looks good in the preview, click on Convert to PDF and the tool processes it right there in your browser without any extra waiting. Step 5. Download. Your scanned PDF is ready and you can download it instantly to your device, ready to send wherever it needs to go. And that's the whole process, from a random photo to a clean, professional PDF in just a few clicks, with nothing complicated in between. Take a look at the before and after here. What started as just a regular photo now looks like a proper scanned PDF document. Clean edges, clear text, and a genuinely professional finish. This is perfect for assignments you need to submit online, office documents you need to keep organized in one place, ID proofs you need to upload for verification purposes, and receipts you want to store digitally instead of losing them in a drawer somewhere at home. No scanner required, no extra hardware, and no trip to a print shop. Everything happens online, right from whatever device you already have in your hand at that moment. It's one of those small tools that ends up saving a surprising amount of time once you start using it regularly, especially if you're someone who deals with paperwork often, whether that's for school, your job, or just managing your own personal documents. Try it yourself. The link is in the description below. And if you found this useful, subscribe for more simple, practical tools just like this one, because I'll keep covering these every single week. Got it. Here's the SEO package for the Scan to PDF video.